Thank God for Jesus. Yeah. I want all of the little vagabond them, the pagan, haters, backbiter, love watch people business. Come on, please, I'm asking you. Please, I'm begging you, delete yourself off my page. You know, please, because I have some new people in the line waiting to add. So just delete yourself. Yeah? Please, I'm begging you. I don't want new ear have on up on my page. Yeah? Or say if you not delete yourself, I go lock down my page. And when you see my new page up and me not accept and me not add that means on an account. You get me on that zero. Take on yourself off on my page. I'm just step on my page, eh? I like see that big black woman here. No, sir. Come off of my page, man. My page breed, man. No, sir. I can't get to have my page for you talk to my Facebook friend and because of the little vagabond them, the little backbiter them. Get off my page, man. Why not don't? All of the waste of space I'm on my page where I report my page already. Why not don't find something though? Why not don't walk around like what Christmas now? And go work when I charity shop them or work, pick up some people off the road and bathe them, brush them teeth or donate something to them. Eh? Like when I love my page, and them something them do. But walk and pick up the people off the road and bathe them, clean them, give them little food and brush them teeth. Come help me brush them teeth and bathe them and help me get helping and then. If you don't love my page so much. Oh my days. Oh my night. Oh my evening. Oh my blackness. Oh my days. And one more thing. Why you just eat down for me so? And me couldn't left on no ambition at Jamaica? Or no ambition and now no matter when you not born? And me they take the walkless stick and beat you know? Why not Jamaican? Me never the Jamaican. Why not so workless? Why not so workless? Now at Christmas, me know good real people, but I try send a little knock snack at Jamaica, go give somebody or I try help the needy. Why not there England, a tumble from pillar to post, and not even do nothing at all for help nobody or help society. Eh? Come on man, you know remember where I come from. I wanna watch me. You know watch me with a foundation over hype. You know watch me with a real estate over license plate. You know watch me. We're proud of my complexion. That's why the white people are complaining and I say, nigga, you wish you were white. Guess why? Because we don't have bleach out on a kin. I bleach out on a kin. Now white people are asking us, I wish you were white. Then them not talk to me with that, my love. Because me love that black skin here. No man, me love that self here, man. No man. I love me, no, so. I love myself, my love. Yeah, yeah. We need to love on ourselves, man. If we start loving ourselves, we will stop hating people. Hater. Stop hate, man. Come on, man. Hate goes nowhere. Hate goes nowhere more than get you hungry, wicked, vengeance. You know, it make you ugly. Oh my days. No man. Let me see if I crack a one Dallas. No man. I need to go do one of that. I need to do a Dallas surgery. No man, I look at Dallas surgery. I need to do what kind of surgeon and now I got tired for my body. No sir. I want to suck out here so wait when I get something. I suck out the whole of my side. So I go so. Yeah. Flatten here so yeah. Christmas. Watch me out. When they put my page, sit down pan it. Sit down pan it. Because I don't know nothing to do. Sit down pan it. Don't come off, yeah?